Welcome back to our Foxify tutorial series. The topic today is how to create local page content for different markets. Why need to localize page when we can use English, you may ask? According to Think with Google, 72% of customers spend most of their time on sites in their own language. 75% of customers from non-English speaking countries prefer to buy products in their mother tongue. As you see, page localization is vital when selling internationally, but this task isn't easy. It requires lots of time and money. So today, we'll show you the easiest and most cost-effective way to localize your website. Fox Magic, the powerful AI page localization of Foxify Smart Page Builder. Before we dive in, we have something interesting to introduce you.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now let's start localizing your website content with Foxify. The first step is to activate the new local market that you are expanding to. From Shopify dashboard, select Settings, then Markets. Here, click on Add Market and choose your new market. You can search for a new market here. Then name it any way you want and save. If you're on Shopify Basic Plan, you can only add a maximum of 3 markets to a store. After create the new market, Shopify will automatically assign suitable languages for the market. To update languages, follow these steps. First, click Manage Domain. Then, use subfolders. Now, add a suffix that represents the market for your domain. For example, CHN for China. After giving your domain a suffix, click Save. If you don't know what suffix to use, you can go to Google and search for country plus acronym. Now you can update language settings for your markets. Like setting a language as default, or removing a language from this market. If you want to add a new language to a market, here's how. First, go to Languages Settings. Then choose Add Language. Finally, choose the language you want to add to your store. Now assign it to the suitable market. Now, it's time to localize your page content with Foxify. Foxify is the first ever Shopify page builder with an AI-backed content localization feature called Fox Magic. Now let's find out how to use Fox Magic to localize your page content. In Foxify Smart Page Builder app, go to Translation. Choose the pages/sections that you want to localize. Choose the language you want to translate to. Click Auto Translate. Translate all content. Now you can check and edit the translation to your preferences. Then click Save. Let's preview the result. A tip for you, you can find the translation progress here to ensure that everything is done well. Another tip, you can automatically update the translated content when you make changes to the original version. Next to Progress column, click the 3 dots symbol. Choose Edit. Activate Auto Update Translation. Now Fox Magic will auto-translate your content whenever you update it. Another way to translate content is using a third-party app. Currently the top Shopify translation apps are Transy, LangShop, TLab, Weglet, and eTranslate. However, unlike Foxify, these apps limit the number of languages you can translate with AI. so it may cost you some money if you're selling in many markets. If you want a completely free app, you can try Shopify Translate and Adapt app. However, it also has drawbacks when you can't translate the whole homepage and landing page all at once like Foxify. Instead, you need to translate section by section. And that's how you can localize your page content with Foxify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thanks for watching.